In this video, we'll show you how to replace the Upstream O2 sensor on your Ford F-150. This is located underneath the vehicle and part of the exhaust system. Let's get started. To get started, we need to remove our engine cover. To do that, we'll remove our oil cap first. We'll set that off to the side. Lift up on your engine cover and pop it out of its grommets, and we can set that off to the side. For right now, we'll put the oil cap back on, and we can go ahead and remove the insulation. Now we have access to our connector. I'll be using a fork tool. You can certainly use a flathead screwdriver. We have a small tab at the top of the connector. We'll push in on that. It helps to push in on the connector while you're doing this, and then you can pull out. You want to inspect the terminals. Any corrosion or damage is bad. This looks good. We have a small plastic tab. And pull up on that and release the wire. We'll feed that down, and we can move on to our O2 sensor. With the vehicle raised and supported, working under the vehicle now, we'll be using a 22mm O2 sensor socket. The O2 sensor socket allows you to slip it over the wire and down onto the O2 sensor. With that loosened up, we can go ahead and remove our O2 sensor socket. And there we have it. Now we can install the O2 sensor. We'll get this tightened down. There's a crush washer, just like a drain plug crush washer. You want to make sure you feel that tighten down. That's going to seal the exhaust. We don't really have space for a torque wrench here, so we're just going to tighten it to the best of our abilities. Now we can route the wire back up into the engine bay. Back up in the engine bay here, and go ahead and install our O2 sensor wire into the black plastic clip along the wiring harness. Now we can go ahead and plug our connector in. You want to make sure the connector is fully seated. We can install the connector back into its clip. We can reinstall our insulation. Take our oil cap off, and we can reinstall our engine cover. Turn your vehicle on, make sure you don't have a check engine light. If you don't, you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.